Magandang gabi po sa ating pinakamamahal na pastor, Pastor Apollo C. Kibulan, kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. At una po sa lahat ay nagpapasalamat po ko sa pribileyo pong makapagtanong dito sa inyong programa na talaga pong inaabangan ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Mayor, my question po is kaugnay dito sa laban ng ating pamahalaan kontra komunistang teroristang grupong CPP, NDF. Bilang dating Pangulo po ng ating bansa, ano po ang inyong abang ito? Marami na po nag-surrender at idineklara insurgency free. At malaki rin po talaga ang naging tulong ating pinakamamahal na pastor at ng SMNI sa kampanya ito. And your reaction to this po, Mayor?
Yes, I'm very happy to announce to the world that at no other time in the life of the insurgency dito sa Pilipinas na pinakamababa ngayon. And there are a lot of the cadres going out of their comfort zones and surrendering to government. I would encourage government to listen to their plea and provide the alternatives of from the things that they are cultivating to revolt in this country. Masaya ako and I am happy. I would like to say to the returnees that mabuhay kayo for understanding our plight. It's not our only in government. It's our plight. Lahat tayo. Nagdudusa sa itong labanan na to. I am sure the soldiers are not happy killing Filipinos. I hope that it is also true for the NPAs when they go into a battle against the government. Ayaw naming mangyari yan at ako ayaw ko. Hindi ko hinihingi yung kamatayan ninyo. As a matter of fact, I want you to see healthy and in the pink of health. Sa droga lang yung bunganga ko. Talagang galit ako sa droga. Walang redeeming factor. Well, insurgency, it's the revolution, it's the thought, it's always a fight dito sa utak, which is a better government to adapt to govern the country. It's always here. Nothing else. A revolutionary man is always motivated by a desire to come up with a better government than what he is experiencing now. So he wants to changes. Ang problema lang, he wants to change through radical means, and that is taking up arms against the government. Yes. Kaya kung lang, politika lang, sabi ko, magkahalos pareho-pareho ang natin. Alam ninyo yan. Noon pa alam na ninyo yan. Nag-uusap tayo. Kaya nga ninyo pinapayagan ninyo ako labas-pasok sa bukid. Because alam ninyo ang nasa puso ko. Sabi ko na, for the nth time, I can join you. I can campaign for communist candidates sans the armed struggle.